Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you're updated every time we upload a new video. Now, you guys already saw it. We are making beef and chicken fried rice. I am cutting up the onions right here, but I want to tell you off camera, I thinly sliced 2 chicken breasts, very thin, that you're going to see me add in a little bit later. I marinated those in about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, some white pepper, and a little bit of like vegetable oil or like a olive oil. So yeah, and that was put to the side. So here we have some steak easy. Got those from Sam's. Some people make Philly cheesesteaks out of them. That I have just added to a few tablespoons of olive oil into the wok. And we're just going to cook those until you no longer see pink. I'm adding a bit of black pepper to that. And some salt. And some ginger. So you're gonna see me just kind of create a well here in the middle section. There it is right there, and that is where that marinated chicken is gonna go. If you want to marinate and throw a little bit of fresh garlic in that marinade, it will not hurt. So as you can see, I'm just mixing this all up together. When you cut those pieces of chicken in thin slices, it does not take them long to get ready. So as you can see, we added in some green onions or scallions, whatever you want to call them. And I just added a few because of course you're going to add more in later. Also off camera, you want to already have some rice already cooked and ready to go. So if you're making this in the same day like I did, I just cooked the rice until it was, according to the package instructions. Let it cool down some. We put it on a sheet tray and laid it flat and just let it get nice and cool. And then we use that. But particularly preferably you would want day old rice. So this is that time where you got that rice put to the side in the refrigerator. You don't know what to do with it. This is what you would do with it. Is make you some fried rice. So we're just going to remove the meat mixture, and then we're going to go in and add a little bit more oil, probably just a few tablespoons of the olive oil, and then we're going to go in with some garlic, ginger, and onions. And just kind of cook those until they're nice and fragrant before adding in your frozen vegetables. Yes, I said frozen vegetables. We are using, I think we're going to use a broccoli and red pepper blend for this, as well as peas and carrots. But listen, it is your recipe. Use what you got. Use what you got. But make sure you call your mama and tell her what we doing over here on this channel. We added in some scallions in there, along with those onions. that is some dark soy sauce. If you just have regular soy sauce, use that. That's fine. But you just want like a couple of teaspoons of it. And then there is the broccoli and pepper mix. I didn't use the whole bag. It was a 16-ounce bag. I just put a little bit in there because I really just kind of wanted the broccoli portion of it. And then of course you see the peas and carrots. So you're just gonna cook those until they're partially thawed, mixing everything until it's well combined. And there you have it. Add that meat mixture back in there. Get it incorporated. And listen, if you don't have the broccoli blend, or if you just have regular broccoli, use that. Your recipe, your way. I'm just providing the basis so that you can have something to follow. There's the whale again that was created in the middle, because we're going to go in and add in our rice that I told you about earlier. And we're just mixing it up as we're going in, because I think I was trying not to overflow the wok, is what I was trying to not do. But you put as much or as little as you would like. That looks absolutely delicious just right there by itself. So that was some regular soy sauce that I just went in with. And again, I did not measure it. I eyeballed it. So I noticed that it was a little bit of oil that was needed. So for sticking purposes, you want to put enough of the oil.
I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem, man. That's on you.
So that's some oyster sauce, you guys. That kind of brings in the flavor and gives you that authentic Chinese takeout fried rice taste. So I'm pretty sure I went in with a few teaspoons of that oyster sauce. And there's the dark soy sauce again. I still didn't overdo it, y'all. The first time I made beef fried rice, I overdid it with that dark soy. Boy, I tell you what, the meal was good, but that doggone rice was black as the ace of spades. I ain't gonna even lie. It was. So make sure that you just put a little bit at a time, taste your food. And there it is, you guys. You have some chicken and beef fried rice. If you would like to see more videos like this, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And leave me a comment if you would have done anything different. We will see you next time on Whatcha Cookin Glenda.
Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy.